Hey please. One of our subscribers asked me what kind of business can I start with 50k. At the end of this video, you're going to see businesses you can start in Nigeria, startup business ideas with 50,000 naira. Do you know you stand a chance for a weekly shout out if you hit the subscribe button below right now and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you the moment our videos come out. Without much ado, let's go right into the video. So I have my outline right here to help me with the research I've done, and with 50,000 naira here in Nigeria, it's easy to start the soap making business. Soap production business is a very lucrative business in Nigeria. Remember that soap is an essential, so it makes it important for every home. Now, if you want to go into the soap production business, you don't just wake up in the morning and say, I want to make soap. You have to learn something. So you learn either online or tell someone to teach you the skill and you pay for that. That aside, liquid soap are selling everywhere. We use it to wash floors, latrines, or plates. There are multi-purpose liquid soaps out there that are actually good. Okay, now in order for you to have a difference, you want to brand your own product. So that means you need a business name, you need an address or a phone number, and you need to know the exact items you use in producing your product. Make sure that you're not all about profits, because if you are just all about gains, you're not going to do the right soap for people and they're not going to come back. Believe me, if I buy a soap for the first time and it's not okay, I'm not going to come back. So the same applies to you. If you do something good, people will start getting to know you. If you get to impress someone, how do you impress someone? The quality of your soap. Let it be a fantastic one. Approach schools that have big hostels. Approach cleaning companies, people that render cleaning services. They buy it in jars like you can see on the screen. Approach supermarkets, big stores. As long as it's branded, you will sell it. It does not mean because you're selling branded products, you cannot sell unbranded products. Of course, you know your cost. So you just do your plus and minus, you know where you sell your unbranded products. But the branded product, because you're being futuristic, you keep making that grow, okay? That is that on soap production. So the next point we're going to be talking about is fast food business. Fast food like asu, grilled fish, shawarma, noodles, small chops, giz dodo, things like that. And we know where we get these things. In bars, you know, places where you unwind in the evening after a stressful day with a drink and this, you know, fast food. It's always a little expensive. That is how they make their own money, okay? And this way you can make the same money. I was at a bar a particular day and I had to pay 1,000 naira for noodles with 1 egg. I mean, the guy is cashing out. What do you need to achieve this? You need to talk to one of the well-populated bars in your environment. It may not necessarily even be around your area. It may be far from you. But if you get a bar that has large audience, rent a space with them, okay? Have an agreement with them. For instance, if you want to start asu, one goat is between 20 to 25,000 naira, and they will split it for you at the market. I mean, they will butcher it, and you come home with your asu, you debone it, and you get a pot, a cooking gas, and you're good to go. With 50,000 naira, you'll be able to do all that. These guys make 10 to 50,000 naira daily. I'm not saying weekly, daily, okay? So you can take this opportunity to be yours if you're ready to do it. There are days of the week that are not as productive as other days of the week. So those days they could make 10,000 per night and stuff, but other days they make good money every day. Imagine multiplying that per month. You'll be going on with good money. The fast food business, it's actually a good business for 50,000 naira. And this week's shout out goes to Blessed Ada. Thank you for joining our YouTube community. Thank you for joining this family. You mean so much to us. You will continue to soar high, grow in heights. If you've not hit the like button, can you do so before you forget? It will mean a lot to me. Now, the number 3 point we're going to talk about is artwork. Does that sound familiar? Okay, wait for it. The artwork business, like you can see here and here, I mean the picture frame. That is a very lucrative business right now. With 4,000 to 6,000 naira, you can get a good quality picture frame and you sell double the price. The picture frame that you get for 5,000 naira, people sell for 10 to 15,000 naira. And the ones you get for 10,000 naira, they sell for 20 to 40,000 naira. They sell double, triple the price. They are making good money. And because people know the essence of having beautification in the home, it makes the whole place serene, makes you want to come home to mama, you know. People are willing to spend as much as possible on things like this now. I mean, this is the era in which people are spending well on decorating their homes. So you want to take advantage of this business. With 50,000 naira, you may be able to get up to 10 frames. Imagine taking this to offices, especially at month end. You get your money instanta, like you don't need to sell on credit. You get what I mean? So take advantage of things like this. You can do it even while you're doing your 9-to-5 job. And you can do it as a major business. It is an easy business to start with no stains. So the next business we are talking about is the branding of plantain chips and chin chin. You need a business name, you need a printer, someone that will print out your business name and your phone number or your address on that piece of paper. You need a sticker because you're going to be doing different kinds of branding. You're going to be doing that of jars, you're going to be doing that of nylon packaging, which you sell to children, sell to stores around your area. I mean, small shops around your area, like the Malam kiosk, like the woman next door that sells provisions and stuff. Then that of the big jar, you're going to be branding it for supermarkets and big stores. People want chin chin, something like you can see on the screen. Do you like what you see? Yeah, people want to take chin chin when they're at the office, when they're on the go, when they are home and they need to snack on something. Maybe the meal is not ready yet. Plantain chips is another thing that people love to have. Chin chin involves flour. Some people don't want something that involves flour, so they want plantain. Nature, okay? Now, go to markets like Mile 12, ask questions. Just be ready to ask questions. Mingle, tell them what you want. Just make sure you don't ask the woman that is selling the plantain. I mean, ask someone that is related to business but not doing the exact business, okay? The person may be able to help you get people that come with truck to supply them. When you talk to those guys, they will book your supplies when next they are coming. That is how easy it is for you to start the plantain chips business. And it is a very, very lucrative business. Forex trading is another trading that you need to look at. It's a business as long as you're not scalping, okay? All you need to do is to look for a broker to register with, learn how to trade. You can open a demo account, and with $100, that is an equivalent of 50,000 naira, given the fact that our currency is getting devalued every day. So it's presently an equivalent of 50,000 naira. Register. When you know how to trade demo, then you can start a live trading and you start earning bit by bit, okay? As long as you're not greedy and as long as you're careful enough, you might not lose money. Of course, there's tendency to lose money, so you have to be extremely cautious. But then Forex is another good business that you can look right into. I think I've been able to cover at least 5 business ideas right here in this video. You know that we have other videos on business ideas. Do well to check them. Click the description below. You're going to see side hustles, business ideas, and even tutorials. If you're still hoping to open a YouTube channel, why not? It's not too late, guys. I have videos packed for you on that. I have videos on opening your own online store. Just check my description and you're going to see a variety of playlists that will fill what you want, okay? Guys, click the subscribe button, like this video, as I'll be seeing you next week.